Happy New Year, my lovelies. How are you guys doing? I hope you're having a lovely new year so far and everything is falling into place. I just wanted to come and say hello to you guys and show you my outfit of the day. We're going off to a friend's birthday lunch party, and I thought I'd just, show you guys my outfit. It's island life. Everything is just cool and casual while in the daytime. So I do hope you like it. I might vlog a little bit. I'm not quite sure what's gonna happen, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Mwah. Speak soon. Bye. Hey guys, Shaunz here. Thank you so much for watching today. I just want to show you my outfit of the day, and it's all from Pretty Little Thing. My top is from Pretty Little Thing, and so are my bottoms, and my shoes are from Ego. Okay, so I hope you like my outfit. It's for one of my friend's birthday parties, and I thought I'll dress very, casual but cute. So I do hope you like it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Mwah.